This C++ demo program is going to show you how to append data to an output file. Let's say that you already have a file that has data. In fact, let's say it's a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet that's tab delimited. I'm just going to create a file here in Microsoft Excel. And the file says that you owe $10. Yeah. And I'm going to save that file as output.txt. And I'm going to save it in the tab delimited format that Microsoft Excel and any good spreadsheet gives you as an option. So trust me, there's a .txt there. It's saved to my desktop, as you can see. And I'm going to close Excel at this time. And now let's run the program, this demo program, appending to a file, demo number 1. I have to change this PSU access ID to my login credentials here at Penn State for the network to work. At home, you could you could update this path for any location you want, on your desktop, your My Documents area, whatever. In this program, like the last one, we have an out file pointer and an input file pointer. But look at this. After the path for the output file, we have comma iOS : app. iOS stands for input output stream, and app stands for append, which means to tack on to the end of something. Don't worry about the : that's beyond the scope of the course. So by typing this optional comma iOS : app, you'll see how this program in a second is different from the last demo program. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, it just happens because I'm sucking in data. I'm reading data from an input file. I forget what that data is. Let's go check. On my desktop, there is a file. On my desktop here is my data file. Let's double click and look at it. Okay, the inputted data was an order for 2 books, 1 movie, and that adds up to $31.97. Just trust me. And all that data came from the file named data.txt. See, data.txt. So this output file should say that I owe $31.97. Let's go check it out. Here's that output file that was appended to. I'm going to double click it and open it up in Notepad. Although I could open it up in Excel, but let's just open it in Notepad. And there it is. It appended that last amount of money that I owe to the original you owe $10. If I did not have iOS : app typed here, you would have noticed that this you owe $10 would have been replaced by this, and that kind of action is undoable. You can't get by with edit undo in that situation. So there are times and places when, as a business programmer, you want to append data to a long server log or customer log of sales data, and then there are times when you don't want to append it. So please use iOS : app here when you want to append data. Let's open that file in Microsoft Excel just to show you what it would look like in Excel. Open with, choose program. Okay, I can't find Excel there. So let's browse my machine to find Excel. Right here is Excel, I believe. So I'm opening it up in Excel the hard way. And there it is. Microsoft is showing that, Excel is showing that this latest order is down in cell A3 when the original data that I wanted to preserve and not overwrite is still found in cell A1. The blank line's there probably because of the endl. I'm not sure, I could look into it, but we could totally control that and if we wanted to.